Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for a new club set. Now I'm really excited about this one because you know what? It's good enough to eat. I mean literally, almost, really. Well, not exactly because it's a stamp and a die set, but it's awesome. Are you ready for this? Oh, I'm excited about this one. It is called Cookies to Stamp. Now, I know when I say cookies, I usually mean my puppy dog, but this time it's really the real cookies. And look at how cute this is. Now, I've done a lot of different things with this one that I want you to see. So first of all, we have a big cookie, then we have a platter of cookies, then we also have a baking tray for you to add your own cookies onto. And we have different views of the cookies, so you could put them on the tray or you could have them just be on your paper, on your cardstock. We have hugs, kisses, and cookies. Chip, chip, hooray. It's your birthday. Thank you. You're sweet. Now, of course, Die Hard Club members, here's the dies that match. And there's a secret surprise I'm going to show you in just a second. Now you're getting the big cookie with the shadow. You're getting the baking tray with a whole bunch of cookie options. You're getting that tray of cookies. You're getting extra cookies, one with a bite even taken out of it. And you're getting a little bite mark so you can actually have it take a part of the bite out of the cookie. And you're getting lots of chips because you know you need chocolate chips, right? Now, just so you know, because I know it's going to be asked, there's a little tiny, what almost looks like a hashtag or tic-tac-toe sign. That's for when you want to make peanut butter cookies, right? You know how you always do the little fork back and forth, that to make those imprints, that's what that's for. Now, club members, big special, woohoo, guess what? Not only are you getting the Die Hard, the Stamp Club members are getting this one, Die Hard members are getting this, but both clubs are getting a freebie die set. And it is the word smile with a shadow die, which is really fun. It says smile and it's a freebie. Why do we give out freebies? Well, you know what? It's because we love you. And if you join the club now, we're having a special little woohoo situation here where starting June 1st, you are going to get a freebie. And this is June 1st, 2021, in case you're watching this years later. But June 1st, 2021 until December. So that's June, July, August, September, October, November, December, a total of 7 months of freebies if you're in the Die Hard Club. So those stamp members out there, you're getting a freebie this month, but starting in July, if you want those freebies, you need to upgrade to that Die Hard Club member. If you're not a Die Hard Club member, now is the perfect time to join because you're gonna get in on those freebies. Now, when I say freebies, notice there's an S at the end. That's because you're gonna get 2 freebies starting in July. 2 die freebie sets each month through December. July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months of 2 freebies. That's 12. That's a lot. Why? Because we love our club members. Now, enough talking. Let me show you all these awesome samples. Of course, you're getting the handy dandy postcard to store with your stamps and dies. It also shows the add-on sets, and you're going to see a couple of those little sneak peeks on these add-on sets, and those are also available. Here we go. Here's a cute one. Hugs, kisses, and cookies. I have my cute little cookie. I have my little chocolate chips, and yummy. Also, this is a sneak peek. This is using doily number 3 as the plate, which is a genius idea. Here's a cute one. Cookies make everything better. Now, this is also a sneak peek to something else that's available, but look at how you can make your own background paper with that Cookies to Stamp stamp set. Now, and then, oh, there's an inside. Life is too short. Eat cookies. Here's a cute one with our little party bear. He's holding that platter of cookies. Hugs, kisses, and cookies. So cute. I love that. Now, if you don't want to do a party bear holding it, you could also do our mouse to hold it. Life is short. Eat cookies. A balanced diet is a cookie in each hand. And there's our big cookies up there and our little cookies and the one with the little bite taken out of it. Now, if you don't want to do chocolate chip cookies, never fear, you could do sugar cookies. I love how who did this one? Danya did this one. She added the shadow die behind it, and it looks like it's like kind of the crispy edges, which is really fun. I love how she made these little sugar cookies, and she added some cute little add-ons right there. So fun. Here's another fun sneak. Look at that cute little platter, and we have a different baking sheet up here, and oh, look at that. This is on our scallop Slimline. Here's a cute one. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful those cookies. Those look like real cookies, actually. They're all nice and inked and ready to go. I love that, so fun. Oh, it's time to start celebrating graduations. You could put a cookie on a graduation cap. So cute. Here's a fun one on a Z fold card. Chip, chip, hooray, it's your birthday. Are you ready for this? Here's another sneak peek. Cookies make the world a better place. And look at this cute little milk bottle. And it's in a little pocket. You could even hide a gift card on that if you wanted to. Look at all those fun things. Now here's another cute one. Cookies make the world a better place. And look at how cute that little mixer is with those little cookies on there. Now Michelle, you know, Michelle always loves to do something extra. So here she made this cute little thing. It says, cookies make the world a better place. And then you're going to open this up. And look at how fun this is. Oh, it's actually even clipped closed. How cute. She put a cute little clip on there. And look at how fun. You know how people like to trade different things for the little thing? Oh gosh, look at this. So it's double-sided. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Perfect for planner people. But look at how cute. This is like one of those trading things that you can send and trade. But look, she has all these cute little tags in there that you could put on things. And then it says nom nom. Look how cute. She added all these cute little, let's turn it this way so you can see it. Little planner clips in here. You could add these to your little planners. You could even add just make this embellishment to a regular paper clip and add it to a card. So if I wanted to, look at this. I could take a card and I could add that just like that for a cute little extra embellishment. And then they can take it and use it as a bookmark if they want, or they can just use it anywhere they want in a planner. Here's these cute little guys here. Let's open this guy up. He's holding a little mini version of those cute little cookies. And then we're gonna open that. Oh, look at how fancy this is. She always does such cute things. And look what's in here. Oh my goodness gracious. She didn't even tell me to open this. I'm glad I did. She made, using Shrinky Dinks, a bracelet using the cookies. Oh my goodness gracious, is that adorable or what? It's little tiny cookies as a bracelet. So fun. I love this. Wow. If you ever get to do a trade with her, you got to do a trade with Michelle. Wow. Let's see what this one has in it. Now I'm wondering. And she made these cute little button embellishments. So let's open this one up. Oh, here. Oh, here's, oh my goodness gracious. It's matching earrings with the little mixer on it. So cute. Isn't that fun? Okay, now we got to see if there's anything else in here we need to open. Okay, I think I got them all. Look at how cute that is though. Isn't that fun? So fun. We need to start doing some trades with these kind of things because those are just really cute. Fun little embellishments that she made. Club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, now is the best time ever to join. Once you join the club, your price is price locked for as long as you're in the club. Your price will never go up as long as you stay in the club, and you're getting all those extra freebies this year. If you sign up now, you also get the add-on bonuses of the extra add-on goodies for joining, the 2 free gifts for joining. I know, it's like we're paying you to be our friends. We're paying you to be our club members. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, don't worry. You can sit back, relax, because you know what? Ken's already gotten up extra early and gotten yours in the mail. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.